Hello, psychology class. Welcome to the video tutorial on setting up your paper using the APA template that I've made for you in Google Docs. To get started, let's take a look at my computer screen here in front of you. So what we'll do is make sure that you're in Chrome and that you're logged into your school account. Once you go to your own drive, if you're a folder person like me, you have a psychology folder, and in this case, I've made one for the research project. So we're going to go to New, Google Docs, and we're going to hit the arrow, and instead of blank document, click from Template. And here we're going to see general templates, but you want to make sure you're in the Perry Local Schools template, as I have made one for you. You'll have to scroll down and hit this little arrow here as there are more templates that will show up on your screen, and you're going to select the one here that says Student Paper Template APA. And so when you click on that, there's the template that you'll need, already formatted for you. So let's first start by giving our document a title so that you can find it in your Google Drive. You could use your title, but I like to use my last name followed by the title of my paper just to help out my teacher. So there's my last name, and let's say I'm doing a paper on meditation. So now on our title page, we can highlight title of your paper and replace that with a working title of your paper. I'm going to use meditation and stress. You can always change that if you change your mind later. Your name is going to be first, middle initial, and last name. Let's change name of school or institution to our school name. The class name, which is psychology class. Your professor's name, which that's me. There we go. And then finally the date. You can use the due date or whatever day you start working on the paper. You'll have to be careful though, in that sometimes Google Doc tries to shorten the date for you. So you can see here as I type August 31st, oops, see how it abbreviated August to Aug. You'll want to go back and change that. I don't know why it automatically likes to do that, but we need the full date for APA formatting. And that's as simple as that. There's your title page. You'll notice that the template's numbered each page for you, and I've given us spaces to type in all of our information as we come across it, including a reference page, which we will talk about all of those other components in other tutorial videos. So now your paper is saved in Google Docs. You've got your title page ready to go. And now we can kind of go to the internet to start researching our topic.